This is the Aspen V1, a dedicated environmental restoration drone for planting seed on a massive scale. On June 5th, 2021, the United Nations will launch the Decade on Environmental Restoration in the aim to prevent, halt, and reverse the degradation of ecosystems worldwide. The simple fact of the matter is, simply conserving nature for future generations is no longer enough. We need to be actively repairing the damage brought on this world by centuries past. Species once considered abundant, even not long ago when I was a child, are being pushed to the brink. Forests myself and many of my friends once explored are now housing subdivisions. We need stewardship solutions and tools that scale massively beyond our current capacity. Locally, regionally, nationally, and globally, talented people have come up with tools and plans to restore our natural environment. We now know what we need to do. We just need to turn our plans and resources into action. To celebrate the launch of the UN Decade on Environmental Restoration and Earth Day 2021, I dusted off some of my old notebooks dating back to 2014 to design and build the Aspen V1, a dedicated environmental restoration drone for spreading seed on a massive scale. This platform can be used for rapidly spreading up to 3 kilograms of different seeds, including tree, tallgrass, or wildflower seeds. The broadcasting wheels are interchangeable and adaptable for a variety of different seed types. The drone is smart and fully autonomous, built to be capable of covering a hectare of land in less than 5 minutes. This is not the first seed planting drone ever conceived. Since 2014, there have been several successful designs. My desire, however, was to build one that could be built for less than $1,000 using as many commonly available materials as possible and operated by a minimal crew. Many of the parts are 3D printed using innovative, 100% recycled plastic, and as much as possible was purchased from a local hardware store. Currently, I'm in the process of pushing the limits of what this machine is capable of, but the plan is to put it to work this year if some collaborators are excited to test the machine in partnership. My passion is this beautiful earth we live on, and my desire is to dedicate my life to preserving and restoring its natural beauty. Working in the not-for-profit and environmental sector has blessed me with the opportunity to develop a somewhat comically wide skill set, and this invention is my way of putting some of those skills to use while I look for work after my graduation. In the coming years, many of us share a dream where we have halted our production of CO2 and are on a path to a more sustainable future. Part of the path is mitigating the ongoing biodiversity crisis we are facing and restoring the natural environment. We know what we need to do, we just need to put the resources and time into making it all happen. The Aspen V1 will hopefully become a small part of the solution to the big problems that we are facing.